Good morning, students. Today we will solve the next exercise, that is 5.2 of Introduction to Euclid's Geometry of Class 9 Maths NCERT. That is very simple exercise. After that also I had made a video on it because it may be that some points I will tell you. Okay, now read the first question. There is only two questions. That is why this video will be very short. Okay. What is written here, student? The first question: how would you rewrite Euclid's fifth postulate so that it would be easier to understand? Okay, first you have to remember that what was the fifth postulate. Okay, when two lines are cut by a third line such that the sum of interior angles is less than 180 degree on one side, then the first two lines intersected on the same side. Means, look at here, if these are two lines and this is an intersecting line, when you will add the sum of these angles, you will get less than 180 degree. That is why when you will extend these lines in the same direction, they will intersect each other. But here the sum of angle will be more than 180 degree. When you will extend here, they will never intersect each other. That is the fifth postulate. That is very simple, students. Okay, should I tell you one time more? Yes. Okay, I'm going to tell you. Suppose that there are two lines and this is the transversal, and okay, you know that the sum of these angle will be what? Less than 180 degree. That is why you will extend these lines in the same direction, and you know that after some time they will be what? They will intersect to each other. Okay, students? But here the sum is what? More than 180 degree, and when you will extend these lines, they will never intersect to each other. Are you getting what I am saying? Suppose that it is written here, okay, students, they will intersect each other. Here they will not intersect each other. Are you getting? This is the fifth postulate. I told you in the last videos also, students. Okay. Now we will read the question number 2. Are you getting what I am saying? Okay. First, the main thing is this, that if I am making video on the topics, then you must have to understand it very properly. If you are unable to understand, then please go and comment on Google Classroom. Okay. I will try my best to make another videos. Okay. By the way, this is I'll try my best to tell you or tell you in the most easier method. That is okay. By the way, we will go to the next question. What is written here? Does Euclid's fifth postulate imply the existence of parallel lines? Explain. What is written in the answer? It may be argued that Euclid's fifth postulate recognizes the existence of parallel lines if the sum of interior angles is 180 degree on both sides of the transversal, then the lines will not intersect on any side. Condition for intersection being that the sum of interior angles on that side should be less than 180 degree. So if two lines never intersect, then they are parallel. Means, what is written here? If there are two lines, when you will extend it up to infinite and they do not intersect each other, means these are the parallel lines. But I told you I think I told you something else change from here. I think I told you if the perpendicular distance between two lines are equal at every point, then that lines are what? Parallel lines, I told you. But it is actually they want to tell you by the method of fifth postulate, by the I can say converse of fifth postulate. Fifth postulate used to say to you what? If there are two lines, if the sum of angle is less than 180 degree, then they intersect each other. Here also they are saying that if we will here, if there are two lines and there is a one transversal, and if the sum of angle is 180 degree on the both sides, here also this and this angle will be 180 degree. Here also the sum of this and this angle is 180 degree. That is where they are what? They are the parallel lines. Are you getting, students, what I am saying? That is very simple. If there are two lines, I'm saying, not parallel lines, I'm saying, and because I have to define what is a parallel line. Okay, there is one transversal line. Okay, students, if the sum of these angle is 180 degree, it means that if we will extend it up to infinite, they will never intersect each other. Here also will get what? The sum of angle will be what? 180 degree. Here when you will extend this, when you will extend this up to infinite also, they will never intersect to each other. Are you getting what I am saying? They will never intersect each other. That is why these lines are what? Parallel lines. Are you getting? I think all of you have got it, that this is the converse of, not converse you can say, you can say that it is related to the fifth postulate also. Means there was what? The sum of angle is less than 180 degree. That is why they were intersecting to each other. Here the sum of angle is equals to 180 degree. That's why they will never intersect each other, and these lines are known as also what? Parallel lines. Are you getting it, students? Okay. Now in the next video we will study the next chapter, that will be lines and angles, student. Okay. And try your best to complete your fair copy also. Timely I will say to you on WhatsApp or Google Classroom to show you. Okay. I think on Google Classroom all of you will send so many pages, clips of pages. That's why I think I will ask you on WhatsApp. Okay, of class 9 WhatsApp are there. Okay, for 9A and 9P, I think both are separate to each other. Okay. Okay, there you all have to show your fair copy also. Okay, students. Okay, thank you.